Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain calls. Well, prices and grains are a little bit higher while the stocks are lower. I think overnight and yesterday the market caught a bid in the beans because of talk about the U.S. sending Secretary of Treasury and the trade representative to China next week to try to resolve any trade issues between the United States and China. Again, if the bean market gets a new deal, maybe we rally 15 to 20 cents, but if not, we break 50 cents. So this is kind of an important issue for the bean market over the next 7 to 10 days. Corn market, I think, got bought yesterday on a little bit of buying because the talk that maybe U.S. farmers won't plant as much corn acres as the March intentions had suggested. This might be weather related, it could be price related, but they could switch to soybeans. The market's already focusing on lower stocks for 18 and 19, both globally and here in the United States, and this might have offered some support. The problem is any rallies might be met with farmers selling who still has a record amount of last year's 17 crop to sell. The other issue is that our weather guy really isn't concerned about weather this summer. Might be just normal rains and a little bit below normal temps, which could produce another record crop as far as yields are concerned. Wheat found some support yesterday on talk that there might be some freeze damage in the Kansas wheat crop. There also might be a lower Australian crop due to dryness. This offsets some talk that the Russian crop looks good and that they could continue to offer some export. It was interesting yesterday that there was some private estimates that the Russian crop may drop to 72 to 78 million tons from last year's 85. This was a little bit of a surprise to the marketplace. We also noted that hard wheat domestic basis firmed up on the news that the Kansas crop may be a little bit lower. Still, our FOB prices dropped, and we're still not competitive in the export market to Russia or to Europe. Soybeans, still big picture. Where will China buy their beans? How much will they buy? And can Brazil take over more of U.S. export share down the road? As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.